Hey, I am Debbie Byrd, and we are headed out to the Benbrook area. 76126 is the zip code. We are headed to the west side of Benbrook. It's actually a Fort Worth address, but we're about 20 minutes outside of Fort Worth. I'm heading out there now from my office, and we're gonna check out this area. It's got a lot of new restaurants. There's a new charter school. That area is very close to Southwest Christian School and All Saints Episcopal School, both really great private schools in the area. But it is zoned for Aledo schools, which is already worth your tax dollars right there. I'll catch you in a minute at the neighborhood. As you get off of Interstate 20, there are lots of well-manicured stores. This is commercial area. You've got fast food, Walmart, oil change, typical shopping area, but very new and well kept. All right, let's go in. Gosh, look how beautiful this is. All right, Woodland Meadows, this neighborhood that we're in, features lots that are 1 to 3 acres. This particular one is just a little over an acre. We've got an office right off the front. Okay, my first words on this is casual luxury. I adore this. Oh, look how open and bright this is. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness, this seamless. I feel like I'm in a church. I'm gonna have to sing for y'all at the end of this. Okay. And then this sun porch. Are you not obsessed? Cannot even with this house. Fireplace. Okay, this house has a little over 4,000 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. We've got high-end gas appliances here. Double oven, commercial fridge. Go down the hall here. Got half bath. Closet. Gorgeous laundry room. Closet in the laundry room. I like it. This closet. Gosh, I want to live here. got 3-car garage with loads of light. I also really love the staging in this home. It's really cute. All right, let's head upstairs. Okay, we've got a little landing, flex space, bedroom number 1 upstairs. Let's see how big the closet is. Ooh, nice. You got your first restroom upstairs. Pass through in the hallway. And a closet. Lit it. Bedroom number 2 upstairs. With the Jack and Jill bath. Bedroom number 3 upstairs. Oh, and what? Look at this game room. Y'all, this thing is huge. And beautiful attic access, storage, or I guess you could make it another room if you wanted to. All right. Also, I do really love the views here. All right, there was something over here. I want to go check this out. Oh, look at this fun pantry. Okay. All right, what do you think? What do you think this home is listed at?
What? It's a secret hiding room.
Okay, I have 2 words for you. Casual luxury. We're talking 1 to 2 acres of land, lots of square footage, luxury, finishes, and appliances. Not to mention, it's only 20 minutes to downtown Fort Worth and about an hour to downtown Dallas. It feels like we're out in the country. Okay, we walk into this one. There's an office right up front. To the right is the dining room. Let's go to the left first. All the archways. Got a half bath here. Next closet. Okay, this is a primary closet. Oh my gosh. Oh, the black is so dramatic. I'd love to hear in the comments what you think about the black. These cabinets in this lighting look a little gray, but they're actually very white. Ooh, I love this little office area. Look at all this pantry. How cool is that? All right, we got this big commercial fridge, built-in microwave, gas range combo. All right, so then we have mudroom, the garage, 3-car garage. Ooh, here's some color. We have a pink laundry room. I kind of like it. Nice big game room, media room, with doors to close it off. Bedroom number 1. The bathroom. Ooh, a second laundry upstairs. Love it. And then we've got attic storage space. Bedroom number 2 upstairs. With nice views of that 2-acre backyard. Bedroom number 3 upstairs. Into a nice little Jack and Jill with 2 vanities. Bedroom number 4 upstairs. Okay, this is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. Huge, beautiful porch, and 2 nice big flat green 2 acres. Whether you are considering a move to Fort Worth, Benbrook, or Aledo, you can reach out to me anytime. This is Remington Homes in 76126 in Fort Worth. I am Debbie Byrd with Lead Real Estate, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.